Hi, Paul and Kyle here from OEM Audio. Now we've shown you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto before. Today we're showing you our latest integration kit that's going into these Nissan Skylines. It'll fit Muranos and Fugas and all those other things. And you'll see here that we've got there's Kyle's little fella there, little Kyle Jr. His S10 mobile phone. You'll see there's no wires connected to it. If we press the little TV auxiliary button here, you'll notice that it's got Android Auto displayed coming live from Kyle's phone. Pretty incredible. We've also got the touchscreen going. There you go. We've got the full touchscreen going. Now this works pretty well on Samsung. I know I've got the case closed. Samsung S series of phones, right? Those other Samsung, those A's and J's, they're pretty shit, aren't they? So don't even bother with those. But if you're using a proper Samsung or equivalent phone, you'll get wireless Android Auto working pretty easily. Go back to the main menu there. You can do all your normal things. You can go into maps. You can do all the normal features. Phone, you can connect to your smart things. You can play YouTube music. You can play with your settings. And you can use voice. For example, you could say, "Hey Google, take me to Christchurch International Airport." And Google will ignore you completely. If you said to it again, "Hey Google, where's the nearest ATM?"
Okay, I'm setting your destination to ANZ Sydenham ATM on Colombo Street.
It'll do it. Like many things in our life, sometimes you have to say these things twice before they learn, but in this case it's worked perfectly. So this is our one take video as we always do them in. We don't edit and we don't stuff around with them, show them our gear. It all works pretty well. These units are available from us at OEM Audio. We've got distributors all over New Zealand and Australia. We can see us at 18 Coleridge Street, right there in Sydenham, Christchurch. You'll give us a phone call on 0508 636 283.